Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup and skincare haul. So I do these regularly on my channel. I'm always buying makeup, I'm always buying skincare, mostly from Boots. I order online all the time. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to start with skincare. So first of all, I picked up a pack of makeup wipes. These are the Simple Hydrating Cleansing Wipes. I actually bought these, was this Superdrug or Boots? I bought these because they were on offer. I don't use makeup wipes much anymore because I use the face halo to clean my makeup off, but I use them to wash lipsticks off, or if I go traveling I use them. So I do use them now and then, but most of the time I do use the face halo. But these Simple Water Boost Hydrating ones are my favourite ones. They're the easiest ones to take your makeup off, so I prefer these ones. Then I picked up, I've been really into the skincare brand recently, Cerave. In my last haul I bought a load of stuff from them and I've been picking up some more. So I picked up this. This is the Cerave Moisturizing Lotion for dry to very dry skin. It's a very big bottle. I've been on and off with really dry skin or normal skin at the moment. I have combination skin, so my T-zone is really oily and sometimes my eye areas and my chin areas right around the sides of my mouth get really dry. It's really bizarre. So I've been using this to really hydrate my skin. It's really moisturising. These are about £13 each, things from Cerave, but I always buy them in Boots when they are 3 for 2. So that's just a tip. Look out for when they're 3 for 2. Because they are so good, they are so worth it. So on my last haul I bought one of these, but I'm buying another one as a backup because it's so good. This is the Cerave Facial Moisturising Lotion PM, so you can get an AM and a PM version. I always use this before bed. It's so good, so moisturising, so hydrating, but it's really lightweight on your skin as well. I love it. And then I picked up the AM version. So the AM version actually has an SPF 25, so it's still the same facial moisturising lotion, but this one has UV protection of 25, and both of these are for normal to dry skin. So this big one is for super dry skin. These other ones are for just normal to dry skin, so they're not as hydrating, but they're still really good. And I also picked up another of the eye cream. The eye cream is amazing. I had serious issues with dry eyelids and I started using this, and it completely solves the problem. It is so good. It's called the Eye Repair Cream, and it has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid in it. It is so good. I love it. This lasts a long time as well. I'm just buying another one as a backup just in case. And then the last of the skincare items is this. This is the Biore Charcoal Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. So these are nose pore strips. You put them on, you wet it, you leave it there, and then you peel it off, and it takes off all your pores. It says it instantly unclogs pores by removing dirt, oil and blackheads, and in this pack there was 6. I don't remember, I think this was on offer. I think it was around about £9 down from 12. Don't quote me on that, but it is around about that price. So I'm very excited to try these out. Okay, now I have a few nail polishes. So I picked up a backup of the Essie Gel Couture top coat. Now my favourite brand of nail polish is Essie. Most of my nail polishes are by the brand Essie. I love them, they're amazing. But these shaped bottle ones are the Gel Couture ones, which means that they have like a gel-like finish, but they dry like a normal nail polish. And I just picked up another one of the top coats because I'd run out. So I use the top coats and I use the Gel Coutures with them as well. They're so good. And I also picked up another of the Essie nail polishes in the shade She's Pampered. I already have one of these, but it's at the end now, so I needed a new one. And this is my favourite red nail polish. This is just a classic red. There's no pinky to it. It is just purely classic red. I love it. So easy to apply. I love the brushes on these. They're amazing, and these are around about £7.99 each. Then recently on my channel I did a natural collection makeup tutorial testing out natural collection, and I really loved the eye shadows that I bought. I bought one of the eyeshadows and I wanted to get some more shades, so I picked up the shades Rose Quartz, which is like a almost like brownie plummy taupey shade, And then I picked up Milk Chocolate, which is just a classic brown crease shade. These are $1.99 each. The shade that I already had is called Vintage Pink, and I loved it, so I wanted to get some other ones, and they are so affordable as well. And I also picked up a Natural Collection blush. I have the shade, the pink one, Pink Cloud, and I absolutely love it, so I wanted to get another one, and this is a peachy shade. It's called Peach Melba. So the other one is more pinky that I have. This is more of a peachy one, which will be perfect for the summertime, so I'm very excited to use this. I then picked up a No. 7 foundation. So I've been testing out some No. 7 foundations recently, and I really love them. I don't know what No. 7 are doing, but they are getting it right with foundations. So I wanted to try this one. This is the Protect and Perfect Advanced All-in-One Foundation. It has SPF 50, and mine is in the shade Porcelain, which is the lightest one that they did. So I will be filming a foundation review on this foundation at some point, so keep an eye out for that. But I'm very excited to try this. I also picked up a No. 7 powder, Translucent Perfect Light Loose Powder. So it's just a loose powder. I was running out of my loose powders. I have plenty of pressed powders, but I don't have loads of loose powders. So I wanted to try this one. It seemed pretty good on the website, so I wanted to try it out. And I know that No. 7 is a little bit pricier than Maybelline and L'Oreal and all those other brands. So I was hesitant, but I do want to try it out to see if it's actually worth the price, because the foundations by No. 7 are really, really good. And then my final thing that I picked up was the Maybelline Great Lash Black Mascara. Now I actually had this free. I think there was some kind of 3 for 2 thing going on, or if you spend so much on makeup you get this for free. Yeah, I think this is like an old type mascara, isn't it? I've never used it before, and I don't know anything about it really, but yeah, I'm excited to try it out, and it was free, so bargain. So yeah, that was just a quick mini makeup and skincare haul, just the things that I've been picking up over the last few weeks, months. I haven't been doing too much shopping, but I wanted to share everything in a haul for you guys. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!